Hey, good morning everybody. This is Chris, Shamrock Health and Wellness, your local CBD guy. How's everybody doing today? I'm just having breakfast today. So I figured I'd just sit here and chat with everybody, see how everybody's doing. I hope everybody's feeling well today, doing well. You know, health is important. Very important thing. You know, if you're not waking up feeling good. Like I'm up this morning, got a load of clothes done, making some breakfast, had my shower. I even cut my hair. I don't know if anybody notices, but yeah, I even cut my hair. I need to trim my beard up a little bit. But yeah, I'm up and going this morning. You know, I just want to see how everybody else is feeling. How you feeling about life and everything else that's going on in this crazy world? You know, when I feel it's not really bothering me too much with all this crazy stuff going on. I'm still living my life. I guess it really don't make a difference if you don't let things bother you. I mean, I'm still getting up every day, making breakfast, walking the dogs, working, going to the store. So I'm not really like affected by it. The kids are grown up. I got one that's in homeschooling, so he's okay with everything. You know, let me know how everybody else is holding up with everything. You know, how you're making it through the day. You know, what kind of goals are you setting for you and your kids and your family? You know, goals are an important thing. Is to have, you know, daily, weekly, hourly, monthly. You know, 6 months from now, 3 months from now, a year from now, you know, where do you see yourself at? You know, do you want a better life? Do you want to change your lifestyle? You know, do you want better health? You know, what does everybody want in life? I don't, you know, I'm working on my goals in life and trying to figure them out. I know CBD has helped me a lot with my goals. It's helping me feel better, get a restful night's sleep. You know, if you're like me, I never slept. Oh my God, I never would sleep. I would just go until I passed out, which is not good. You know, drink energy drinks, lots of coffee. You know, now I have a couple cups of coffee during the day, and I'm good. I'm okay. You know, how's everybody else's energy level? How you holding out? Are you staying motivated? Are you ready to seize the day, no matter what kind of challenges you got faced ahead of you? You know, what do you... Ow. You know, what are your goals? You know, I'm having sausage, bacon, and eggs all together. That's my morning breakfast. I don't normally do this, but I figured I'd like to have a feeling good today. So I'm gonna have a little treat for myself. You know, you gotta treat yourself, you gotta take care of yourself. That's the most important thing, is taking care of yourself. You know, hey Jim, how you doing? Always checking in on me, huh? How you been? You know, I just had my breakfast this morning. I'm up feeling good. Got some clothes washed, shower taken, trimmed my hair, making breakfast. Feeling good this morning. I hope everybody else is feeling good this morning. Hope you're feeling well. Hope you're healthy. You know, I'm not stressed out with all this craziness. Oh, okay. All this crazy news is going on. I'm trying to ignore it from now on. Really. Nonsense. Just overhyped political BS. You know, I don't talk about politics too much just because I try to cater to everybody, but I don't know. It's all crap. It's like George Carlin. Anybody knows George Carlin, you need to go check him out. He was the man. He told you the way it was, and it's all bullshit and it's bad for you. You know, he always used to say that. And it's so true, because of the things that you hear in this world. That's why you gotta surround yourself with positive stuff, positive people. positive way of living, a healthy living. You know, try the best you can. Life's not perfect, but you can always try. You know, it's better to fail trying than never to try. You know, that's the most important thing. Then you have no regrets. You know, if you didn't, and just things didn't work out, you know how to do things better next time. So yeah, I'm just hanging out this morning, you know, waiting for my biscuits. Good morning, Shelly, how you doing? I'm just hanging out, having breakfast, then wash clothes, taking a shower. Just wanted to check in and see how everybody else is doing. Hope all is well with you. I hope you're staying safe out there and feeling good. Hope they're not working you too much out there, you know. It's crazy, all this stuff going on. I mean, I've never seen nothing like this in my life. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. But I love the gas prices. I love the fact there ain't nobody on the road. That makes life a lot easier to get around. You know, that makes it nice. Now if people just stay out of the stores, that'd make it a lot easier. But it's nice though, you know. If you gotta go to the store, it's not so bad. Crazy though, I've seen lines at Michael. I just got home. Oh, yeah, it's time for you to go to bed. I know you're tired. Get you some rest. Hope you get you some rest. Have you some breakfast. Yeah, I hope all is well. Yeah, I'm just getting up, starting my day. I've been up since 4 o'clock. I don't know, I feel good today. It's crazy. I feel good. My mind is clear. My body feels good. I'm getting ready to have breakfast. I'm excited to start today. I got a couple projects I'm working on a house for a buddy of mine. Good night. You have a wonderful day too. Hope you get some sleep. And I'll talk to you again. Crazy. Yeah, I'm just getting ready to go in a little bit. I got a couple jobs I gotta work on. I still got a bunch of stuff I need to do. But at least, you know, thank God I got some work. I know a lot of people don't have any work. I know if anybody's looking to change their life with CBD, let me know if anybody wants to change their life, you know, help others. It's hard sometimes to find the right dosage, but in time you'll find it. But yeah, if anybody wants to change their life with CBD, you know, if you like helping other people, you know, that's important. Let me know. If you're looking to earn an extra income while this stuff is going on, let's talk. If you're looking to feel better, you know, got some amazing product. You know, I'm a prime example of how CBD has changed my life. I'm up early, feeling good, making breakfast, you know. I love it. I even cut my hair. I don't know if anybody knows, but yeah, I cut my hair today. I got tired looking rough. Needed a haircut. But I'm feeling good. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I just want to check in with everybody. See, hope everybody's doing well. You know, feeling good. How you feeling? Hope you got a good night's sleep. If you didn't, let's talk. If you're feeling sluggish during the day, let's talk. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just enjoying life. Hope everybody's dealing well with all this stuff. Not stressing out. You know, don't be stressing out. It's not worth it anymore. Screw it. It is what it is. Just gotta deal with it. That's all we can do in life and make the best of it. Ow. Get the biscuits out of the oven. Use a pot holder. It's kind of important. I get the biscuits out barehanded. Guess I'm silly like that. I don't know. Crazy. Yeah, I'm getting ready to have a crazy good breakfast right here. I normally don't eat stuff like this, but you know what? I'm feeling good today. I'm about to have me some good cooking today. Sausage, egg, and a good old bacon. Looks like a whole wheat biscuit. It's gonna be good. Hey John, how you doing, buddy? Hope everything is safe and doing well out there. I'm just having some breakfast. Hope everybody's doing well. Yeah. Up and going. Living life. Screw it. Don't worry about anything. Oh, God. Oh, shit. I just hit on my dog. That's not good. Alright. Good deal. Alright, guys. If you need anything, you feeling stressed, aggravated, need to talk, let me know. I'm going to eat my breakfast, walk the dogs, see what else I can get into. But I'm always here 24 hours, 7 days a week. Just send me a message or check out my my website, Shamrock Health and Wellness. There's a lot of great resources for health and wellness, stress. I'm always here to talk. Wonderful products that we have to help deal with stress, anxiety, lower blood pressure. We have an isolate. That's a 0 THC and a full spectrum, which uses the whole plant of the hemp plant. You get all the full benefits of it. If you need either one, let me know. Let's talk. And I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.